Hi everyone, I just want to share with you how you get the library guides for MLA's ninth edition. So on the side you'll click on library here and it will bring you to a link that says open a new tab, and you'll put in your Atlas credentials and it will bring you to this page. This is where you go to research databases, but this is where you get your citation help. So Citation Machine and EasyBib are automated systems that aren't always accurate, and that is why we want to use the library guides on the ninth edition, which is right here. And right here it's full citation examples, and depending on what you're working with will determine what you're going to use for your citations. So first I'll start with websites. If you are using a reputable website, please use the link for entire website. This covers everything you ever click on with this website. You do not have to cite every single individual page that you click on. So that means you will not have 4 or 5 different citations in the Works Cited page for the same source. So if you're using, say, a website on an organization, for instance, and you clicked on 4 different pages, you will not repeat this 4 times in the Works Cited page. It's the same source, so you'll only do it one time. And it is the website title in italics, the publisher of the website, which is usually the same and located at the bottom of the screen next to a copyright year. For instance, Valencia College is the publisher of this work. You'll put the date of publication, which is often the most recent date of the website. Leave it blank if you cannot find it, but it is usually at the bottom of the website. You're going to use the URL of the home page of the website. For this instance, it'd be the home page of the website. And then the date you accessed the information. That is for a website. You might want to download this as well for your references. When it comes to databases, under full citation examples, it really depends on which database you used, because different databases have slightly different versions. But for instance, let's say you used a Florida newspaper for your essay. You would go under Newsbank for Florida essays, and that's under America's News is where you would find that. And that's the name of the database, America's News. And this is how you would format it. So it would be the author's last name, then first, the title of the article, with each main word capitalized. The newspaper title it was published in. It could be the Washington Post. It could be Miami Herald. It could be Orlando Sentinel. The date it was published, notice the day, month, then year, the page number if known. The database publisher's Newsbank, even though the database might be America's News, and the truncated URL for this particular databases here. Each one of these might be slightly different. Remember that whatever is first in the Works Cited page entry is the same thing you use at the end of the quotes in your paper or in in-text citations. So whatever is first here is what links to the quotes in the body of your essay. Remember, the Works Cited page is at the end, and this is the citation at the end of every quote in your paper. If you don't know an author, then you would use the article title, because that would be the thing that comes first. So if you know the author, use the author. And if you don't know the author, use the article title. Okay, not the database title, the article title. I hope this really helped you understand how we find MLA in the ninth edition and how you use the library guides to choose which databases you used to find its guide, or to learn how to use websites under the entire website as the entry, where you only need to cite it one time. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, always ask your professors, writing tutor, or librarian for assistance.